Hi everyone, this is Krishnanand Singh and you are watching Ignite India. So finally NIFT has announced the counseling date and we will discuss about the 5 steps which you can follow for the NIFT counseling and you can get your seat. Well, so step 1 which has announced today, you can start now, and there is a link also in the below, like if you will check here, so link are given there. You need to open that link and you need to register yourself for the NIFT counseling. So there two things is required: your form number and your date of birth. So form number is nothing, it's your application number. That means while filling the form what you have used. So step by step we'll discuss about the 2, 3, 4, 5th what you need to do right now for your counseling. I will suggest you watch this video till the end. Make sure you subscribe, like, and press the bell icon button so that whenever you need a help, whatever is the announcement, the Ignite India, the first platform will give you the all info related to that. So when we talk about the NIFT counseling, we decided to keep the expert suggestion, guideline and all. Meanwhile, I'll talk you a step 2, what you need to do. Step 2 is more important. They will send you the mail, which is the registered mail ID. So just keep in mind, registered mail ID, they will send you the mail, and there you have to upload your all required document. They will verify all this thing process. You can do it till 13th of this month, but I want as soon as possible. Make sure you complete your process. The moment they will give you the link, upload your document, because bachelor students date is yet to announce for the counseling, and in fact for BF also, rest of the department for the master, they have already announced the date. But you need to understand, once you will document, your verification is done, easily you can go for the next sort of the process where you have to cross check your everything is done. Again, you got the link, you can do the payment. Yes, you have to do the payment in the next round. So why you have to do the payment before? Because once they will allot the seat, that is the final, you got your seat in particular department and center. Well, so one thing in the mind we all have, like if I'm doing the payment, are they going to return? Yes, the 100% payment they will refund you. If you are doing a payment pre-counseling right now, after the counseling, if you are not getting the seat, so they will return your fee money 100%. Yeah, if somebody got the seat and if you want to take okay, a refund, in that case also, after deducting a certain amount, NIFT will return you the fee. So this is the last process when they will allot the seat, and finally you get the admission in NIFT. Well, all this process they will conduct on Zoom, which we have discussed before also. I would like to say here, the guys, is all this information which you got it. If you have a step by step, all this the long process. You need help. Ignite India is keep doing the help. Almost 2,800 is in our contact, and we are helping us. So we are still open with the premium counseling help, where we will help you step by step to do all the required document verification. That is called pre-document verification by Ignite India team. And then while completing your step 2, step 3, step 4, wherever you're stuck, you have any doubt what you need to do, so you can access our paid counseling, paid membership counseling. So for that you have to access our premium counseling. That link is also there in a bio. You just need to go and register yourself, or you can contact me here on the given contact number. The moment you will contact on this, our expert, though they are related from the NIFT, directly, indirectly, the sources team, they will help you in together, or step by step. You will not miss even a single thing. You will not lose to get admission in NIFT. If you want, make sure contact us immediately. Team will help you out with that. And do not worry, do not get panic. This is the very simple way NIFT has done it. If I remember, while I had a counseling, it was so difficult. We all have to go to Delhi for the counseling. Earlier, everyone have to go on different center. This year, sitting in home, you just need to upload your all documents and it will be get it done. Yeah. Now the important announcement is, guys, that you need to understand all this. If you will miss to register your first step before 13th of this month, nobody can help you. So literally no one can help you. So make sure you register yourself today itself after watching this video. If you are not getting it, if you are having a difficulties, you are not getting the link which is we are giving in a bio, you are having any problem, make sure you contact our team. We'll help you. Do not miss to fill. Do not get confused what will happen. I will apply for second round or third round. I may not get in seat in first round. Nothing here. You just, if you are getting it or not, you make sure you apply in this round. This is very important. So that is for all those students, though they have not planning to apply. So that's it for this from this video. Make sure you register the Ignite India premium membership, and you will get to know the all detail about the counseling by our expert. We'll suggest you and help you. Thank you so much to watching this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and press the bell icon button.